Hi, I'm back. Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Okay, we have another Christmas series video. Okay, I know I've done like Christmas decor, we've got gift ideas, we have more gift ideas coming, but this one is just like a general Christmas. You guys wanted more Christmas ideas. I figured I should get it out to you sooner rather than later. So this is 50 Christmas crochet ideas. Before we get too far into the video, me and Dylan have a sibling podcast. Go check it out. Okay, go subscribe. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year as like our little like New Year goal, I guess. And we're just like super excited about it. It's a video and audio podcast, so if you need something to watch while you're crocheting, I like listen to while you're crocheting. It's super fun. We just kind of hang out. We talk about a lot of stuff. So if you want to go see more me and sibling content, go check that out over on our podcast channel. So I feel like my camera angles have been different like every time. I almost said every time I crochet. Every time I film a video, I feel like the camera angle is just different. And you know what? It's because I cannot be consistent with it. I don't know. I always forget how I set up the tripod, so every time I do it, it's just different, and you're just gonna have to live. But someone was commenting in the comments is like, your camera angle's weird. I was like, thanks, sorry. Like, I don't know what you want from me. I film so many videos. Also, shout out to all of you who are like, thank you for working so hard. Thank you for grinding and getting these videos out. You're welcome. I do it for you. I do it for my subscribers. I love you. I love you. Okay. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Anyways, let's just stop talking and get into the video. We have categories for this one. We've got tree skirts, amigurumi, ornaments, blankets, and then miscellaneous. So everything that doesn't fit into those categories ended up in like a catch-all category at the end. As always, everything I say is listed in the description box in the order that I said it, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial, so you can make whatever I'm showing you. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right into our tree skirt category. We have this green and red, like not striped, but it's just like Crochet World December Annie crochet pattern. Okay, I love it. It's got little snowflakes on it. It's cute. If you like something like the 6-day star blanket style, there's also this tree skirt that's similar vibes to that. Or if you're more of like a granny stitch crocheter through and through, you're like, give me a project with a granny stitch and I will make it, no complaints. Here's a tree skirt made out of like a granny stitch. Okay. You can also make this woodland tree skirt if you're more of like a cottage core-y, woodland, I live in a cabin Christmas vibe this year. And that is all I have for tree skirts. So let's move into our amigurumi category. So this is basically everything that's kind of like cute little stuffed animal that you just put on a shelf to look cute. Like it doesn't really do anything. You know what I mean? This sweater is new. So this collar keeps like popping up and it's really annoying if you can't tell. Okay. So you can make this abominable snowman. Abominable snowman. Okay, you can also make a nutcracker in light of the gay nutcracker epidemic that I'm seeing all over my TikTok right now. You can make a nutcracker, gay or not, up to you. You can make a Christmas tree, cute with eyes. It's adorable. You can also make some gnomes, little snowman gnomes for my gnome people. You can make this tree that has like storage in the inside. They're like take apart containers. You can also make a gingerbread sled with gingerbread people in it. You can make a gingerbread house with a bunch of candy decorations on it. You can make a reindeer, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. You can even make a little Christmas mouse with like a coat and a hat. You can make some Christmas candies or even this like really cute marshmallow snowman mug. Okay, adorable. You can make an itty bitty Christmas kitty. Okay, whoever named that pattern, gold star to you. Love it. You can also make a a car with the tree tied on the top, even like pulling a trailer if you want, if you're a trailer people. Okay, super fun, super cute little stuffed animals, to do. Okay, so that was all for that category. Our next category is ornaments. There aren't that many in this video because my Christmas decor video has a bunch of ornaments in it. So if you're looking specifically for ornaments, go check that video out. But I am going to give you a couple. So you can make the pine cones if you don't want real pine cones, or the fake pine cones and you want to crochet them. You can make pine cones. You can make a hot chocolate mug ornament. You can make the bobble stitch Christmas tree, or even there's like 2 really cute cat ones in this category. You can make this curious cat that's like hanging in a stocking. Okay, super cute. You can also make one that's like holding on to a crocheted ornament. I thought that was really cute, especially since I have 4 cats. That's what they're going to be doing the moment that our tree goes up. It's taking all of the ornaments down. So you can also make gingerbread people, cookies. You can make these like spiral peppermint candy ornaments. The possibilities are endless. Anything that is tiny you can add a little hook to and it becomes an ornament. So you can really crochet anything as an ornament. But that is all I have for ornaments. So let's go ahead and slide into the next category, which is blankets. Now, my blanket people, okay, you're crazy, but I applaud you. And we are in December now. This comes out in December. So good luck if you're starting your blanket now. But you can make this really cute Christmas Eve wishes blanket, or even this Santa blanket, or a peppermint blanket. I kind of love this one because it's like different than the normal granny square, adding granny squares together. There's like gaps. It kind of looks cool. I love when circles are added together. I don't know. It's new. It's fresh. You can make this candy cane Christmas blanket where it's like a normal blanket and you just kind of add candy canes on the top of it. But yeah, so you could take a blanket you've already made and add candy canes to it if you don't want to do an entire blanket. But that is all I have for you for blankets. So let's get into our last category, which is miscellaneous. We really have a bunch of like everything in the miscellaneous category. So we have this Christmas tree hot pad, which is like what you put underneath. You guys know what a hot pad is. You put it underneath. It's like a pot holder. You put it underneath hot pots or like pans and stuff. You can make these little Santa Christmas decorations. You can even make Christmas shoes that look like based off Santa shoes with some blanket yarn. They're like soft slippers, okay? Wouldn't recommend wearing them outside, obviously, but they're cute for like Christmas morning. If you're one of those families that has matching Christmas pajamas Christmas morning, you should make your whole family matching Christmas shoe slippers, okay? You could make elf hats like this one. You can make a tree wall hanging, or even like a mug decor, like wrap, a cozy little mug wrap, or this Santa helper hat. Now, this one's really fun, especially if you have kids, but for indoor snowball fights, just get some white blanket yarn and some stuffing and make a bunch of indoor snowballs, especially like, even if you don't have kids, if you just want to like decorate with snowballs, I think that's kind of cute. But if you live in a place that doesn't have snow, like me, I live in California and I live in like the Central Valley where we don't get snow. I have to go to the mountains if I want to see snow, and even then it's really not that much snow. It's not like actual snow. I don't get a white Christmas here. So if you're like me but you want a little snowball fight for your kids, then crochet some soft squishy snowballs, and they shouldn't hurt that bad. I don't know. They might hurt, but it'll be fun. So you can do that, or you can make these Christmas ornament coasters. Why am I forgetting the word for it? Christmas ornament coasters. You can make an ornament dishcloth scrubby. You can make these little like elf hand warmers. You can make a garland of Christmas lights, like flat ones like this one, or this one where it's like actual bulb lights. You can make ginger biscuit, gingerbread cookie kind of style crochet garland. I've heard a lot of good feedback for this pattern specifically, so definitely check that one out if you don't know what to make. And you can make Grinch leg scarf. Oh my god, it's been a long day. Grinch leg scarf. Okay, there you go. You can also make this fun snowflake pot holder, or a candy cane pillow, or if you have cats, you can make this really cute little elf hat for your cat. And I know I already showed you an adult elf hat, so you can literally make matching elf hats if you want to do something like that. You can also crochet some gift bows if you don't have a lot of gifts to give this year, and you can crochet a couple, and that's kind of like fun, little gift bows. Or crochet the gift bows to put on the tree. That's cute too. And you can make these peppermint candy coasters too. So, and that is all I have for you for my 50 Christmas inspired crochet ideas. Like always, just a reminder, everything I said in the description box, linked in the order that I said it, to a free or paid written or video tutorial. So you can literally make everything I showed you. If you're looking for the picture of what I showed you, it's all on a cohesive Pinterest board, which is also linked down below. If you're a Pinterest girly and you want to save it, you can go do that. It's all available to you. I have Instagram if you're over there and you want to follow me on Instagram, and I also have TikTok. I've got all the socials. If you want to follow me on my other socials like Instagram and TikTok, they're down there. And if you need something to watch these holidays, go check out mine and Dylan's podcast, okay? Go check it out. We're going to have some fun holiday episodes this month, and I'm so excited. I think Dylan has something planned so for one of the episodes, and I have something planned, so it's going to be really fun, and we're going to be doing some, like, fun holiday stuff. So if you're interested, go over there. Watch those, subscribe, leave a comment if you came from here, okay? But other than that, I will see you in the next video. I love you. Bye.